Hey guys, we're going to be working on this 1988 XJ Jeep Cherokee. Has about 182,000 miles on it. We're going to be pulling out the steering column for another person's project. First thing you'll need to do is remove the air filter housing. As you can see, somebody's already been in here and kind of pulled some parts out. So with the cover off and the air filter out, we can access the bolts at the bottom of the box. You may have to access the nut on the inside of the fender well. Now for this part, it may help to have an extra set of hands. Once you've got all the nuts and bolts out of the air filter box, go ahead and remove the box. This will give you access to the steering shaft. There will be one bolt that you'll have to remove on the steering shaft. Now that you have access to the steering shaft, you should see the nut. If not, you can use the steering wheel to rotate it to access it. Now moving forward inside, I typically like to start at the front and move towards the steering wheel. On the firewall itself, you'll have a plate attached with some bolts. Remove the bolts, and then remove the plate. As you can see, the dash in this old XJ is already kind of pulled apart, but you will need to take it apart to access the bolts to remove the steering column. With the dash removed, you'll finally get to see some of the wiring and the bolts that you'll need to remove. Yours may have a small vent as well. Now just trace all the wires and remove the clips. Removing the clips might be a little easier said than done sometimes. Now underneath here there are a total of 6 bolts. There are 4 that attach a bracket to the column. You do not need to remove those 4. There are 2 on the side. Just remove the 2 on the side and that will free up the steering column. So if you miss a few wires, no big deal. Just be very cautious when you're pulling it out. If you feel resistance, you probably have some wires that you still need to disconnect.